ladybird beetle. They are mating. They have prepared up for reproduction. The one on the top is male beetle, and the one below is the female beetle. This is a common behavior in insects. They are identified by their white color with black tips and spots. These beetles are also beneficial because they eat pests that harm crops. There are more than 5,000 species of them found worldwide. They are recognized by their round, shiny body and colorful spot on their back. The beetle in the picture is a striped ladybird, which has black stripes on a white background. Their life goes through 4 stages. The female lays small eggs on the underside of leaves. The larva that hatches from their eggs eats small insects. After a few days, it becomes a pupa. A fully grown ladybirds emerge for the pupa. The whole cycle is complete in 4 to 8 weeks. These beetles are very beneficial for farmers because they small green insects that suck saps only from leaves. One ladybird can eat 5 to 100 aphids a day. That's why they are called a natural pesticide in the agriculture. They are since danger. The beetle release a yellow, foul, smelling liquid from their joints. This makes bird or other predator avoid eating. The darker the color, the more poisonous and unpleasant the beetle taste. That's why birds learn not to eat them. This is a natural warning signal. Usually a ladybird lives for 1 to 2 years in winter. They find a warm place and go into hibernation.